So today I'm going to show you how to use your cell phone's camera as a document reader. First thing you're going to need to do is to go to Dropbox. Now, if you've never used the program before, here's what you have to do. Write your first name, last name, email, and password, and then sign up for it. I've already signed up for it, so I'm just going to go to sign in. So I've signed in, I've got the program coming. Now, if you go to your name and you go into install, then you could run the program on your computer. Now, if you notice up here on top, I've got some other programs running, but you do not see anything for Dropbox. So the program is finished installing. Double click on it. Do you want to open it up? It's opening up. Now for Macs, to install the program, you have to drag it over. But on most Windows stuff, you just open up the program and follow through. So now we have finished up, and if you look here at the top now, there's a little box with a little sync button. And what that means is it is downloading anything that I put into this account automatically onto the computer. So now we're going to head into our second issue, which is getting the program on your phone. So I'm going to show you this in two ways. First, I'm going to show you me doing it on my phone. You go to the sign that says Play Store. It looks like a little triangle. And then you can just type in Dropbox and look for the program. This is what it looks like at the website. Google Store. And if you go to Android apps, you can just do a keyword search for Dropbox. Ta-da! It's the first one. Install, and it does everything for you on your phone. You just have to remember that same username and password that you chose before. So now that you have the program on your phone, when you open up the program Dropbox, if you go under your settings, you can tell it to automatically upload cameras. So for example, under my settings here, turn off camera upload. We'll just turn it on yours. And over Wi-Fi or connection, whatever you want. And then, I'll get rid of my face now since you don't need to see me anymore. And then what you'll see is anything you take a picture of will automatically be sent to the program. So I'm going to have a worksheet, take a picture of it, and send it to the computer. Sorry, I didn't have a worksheet with me, so I'm just going to take a copy of a page from a story. But this would work on anything you're using. So I take a picture, and as you can see, the Dropbox symbol at the top here is spinning around because it's syncing. Usually takes about 3 seconds. And then that's it. You can watch it, view it. If you have a smart board, you can use it to write on the board. I use it to show students examples of work done correctly. Sorry about that, I forgot one more little detail. If you go into the Dropbox settings, click on the gear, that always means the settings that you're doing. Under preferences, you have to enable Dropbox camera import, meaning that it'll also get it from this, it'll bring the cameras over from your cell phone. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I didn't have it in the corner where you could see it come up. Let me take another one because as soon as it comes through, the notification will come through, and I want to show you how quickly it happens. So here we go. I'm taking the picture. All right, I put my phone down, and see how it blinked over. That was it. That was the computer telling you it's been downloaded. You just click on your box. It'll say recent things you just did. Maybe that'll. And if you just click on it, the actual notification, the picture that you took will come up. I'm gonna have to resize this, so let me pause it. So this was a work page where the kids were supposed to read a story. You can take a picture of it, put it up on the board, and then read it together as a class. Follow it, write on top of it, anything you need to do. And that's pretty much it. Dropbox, it's instantaneous document reader. You can also walk around, and I teach kindergarten, so I have to use a lot of student examples. So for example, here's us counting numbers. So we look at the blocks and we say how many are there, did they get the right number, is this really 9? And then we count them up and things like that. Thank you very much.